What's happening, folks? Back with another reaction, back with some more Flock of Seagulls. And we're returning to Dream Come True 1988. Thank you again, Hansel, for sharing the Flock material. And again, I am aware that this album is not everyone's cup of tea. I was especially amused when I did the previous reaction when folks were saying that the lyrics were almost cringe-worthy. So again, I get it. This is very different from their early stuff, but again, having gone through a number of deep dives where a band's catalog changes over time, I'm still curious to hear and enjoying the album. So yes, bottom line, the next track is How Could You Ever Leave Me? Is that right? Make sure I got that right. Yeah, How Could You Ever Leave Me? Which sounds like someone feeling indignation, abandonment, betrayal, or otherwise disbelief, the idea that they just can't fathom or conceive of a scenario in which the other person would leave and maybe has left, such that it could be about a current disconnection or separation and the person is still struggling to comprehend. It could be a hypothetical, a future projection where they're trying to figure out any situation in which the other person would decide that this isn't for them. So if I had to guess, I would say maybe it's ongoing, maybe there is a separation or disconnection and the narrator is utterly perplexed by it, but obviously it could be heading in a different direction entirely. Luca is also curious. Let's give it a listen. This is A Flock of Seagulls. The track is How Could You Ever Leave Me, and it's from their 1988 album, Dream Come True. I like the chorus a lot. again, I may be in the minority, but I'm really enjoying this album, and that track felt maybe a bit more like some of the early stuff. Now, there's multiple elements that are very unlike Iran. That's always sort of the point of comparison for me because, again, I think that's the song and the sound for which they originally became internationally known, and which maybe everything after that will be inevitably compared or contrasted. But yeah, so it was a bit busier than some of their earliest stuff, but it feels like it has that intangible yet clearly identifiable 80s sound, meaning it just had that, oh, it's a classic 80s track type of feel to me. I certainly enjoyed the chorus a great deal. I wonder whether there was not only some rolling percussion and drums, but even some specifically like xylophone type sounds, like struck melodic sounds. But yes, I just love the flourish that the chorus gave off. It does sound like it's an ongoing thing where the person is feeling like they're being let go of, and they're, again, struggling to understand. They're perplexed how the person could ever leave them. So it feels like there's some pain in the lyrics and themes, but sonically it has an energy, it has a richness to it. So yeah, it feels like maybe it's one of those tunes where the up-tempo or at least brighter sonics belie the pain or the darker lyrical themes. And yeah, I enjoy the female vocal. I couldn't catch that word that she was saying repeatedly, so I feel like that might actually be a key to perhaps understanding the song in an even more detailed way. But it does seem like it was more or less what I considered in advance, that the person is just at a loss to try to comprehend where they stand and how this has come to be. And yeah, I enjoy, again, the sonic 80s feel of the track overall and the chorus in particular. So yeah, a cool tune, at least for me. Do let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Peace.